Hello everybody, market situation update, back in your life for another day. This is what we got on the menu for the day-to-day. Canadian Swiss francs marching forward, full steam ahead. We're heavily involved with a bullish campaign, so we're going to touch base on the situation here. Next video, cryptocurrency market. Guys, the market is on the upside. No doubt about that. It's rallying. And we got ourselves also kind of heavily involved with a few bullish campaigns. We're going to talk about the ripple that's breaking forward. Let's go right ahead, dive in. Canadian Swiss franc had been a pleasure. Right from the get-go, guys, we are riding this move ever since price action was approaching 72.36. We got in, and it was all about in and out. All the way up, right? I mean, buying, closing, buying again, you know, adding, subtracting, but always keeping a bullish campaign on the Canadian Swiss franc. First, we knocked off 73.28. Then we knocked off 74.09. Then we decided that it's not enough, right? I mean, it's not like we decided it's not enough. Right off the bat, we declared 74.63 as primary target and final destination, but we did break that move into a few, separate stages. The last one, which is right where we are right now, the last stretch towards the target, right? We're closing in. I mean, we're just 20 pip from hitting that target. And I'm going to give you another price on top of this, I'm going to give you some price extension. All right, potentially a good one. But here's what happened. I mean, 74.09 was the ultimate divider. It was a problem for us, right? We didn't know how price action was going to behave. At first, it crossed over. We got in. Then it broke right below. The next day, we got cold feet and we jumped out. So it took a very tiny loss on one of the attempts here. Then price action started to approach. We felt that it was safe to jump right back in, and we did that with full force. Take a look. First 10k, a little bit later 25k, and then another 15k. So if my math is correct, we have a $50,000 position and we're closing in on target. But here's what I also wanted to say about the situation here, which is really why I'm here on the Canadian Swiss franc. It's not just to brag about the move that we've been able to catch, but also talk about what's coming beyond 74.63. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get there soon. But I think price action is going to go beyond that point. I think it's going to chase 75.25, which is the previous high, as you can see. Right? So, right there, I just gave you about 50, 60 pip of price extension beyond 74.63. However, just to set the record straight, we're not going to pursue this move from 74.63 to 75.25. We're going to be looking for opportunities elsewhere. We've had enough, right? We were fully committed to 74.63, and we've done so well here. I think we're going to retire at 74.63. We're going to retire the Canadian Swiss for the time being. Maybe we'll come back later on, who knows? But for now, that's it for us. Alright guys, I also should mention stop loss level, which was adjusted according to recent behavior here. So we got 73.60. That's where our current stop loss level is. My guess is we're gonna keep it there all the way to the end, to the finish line. All right, guys, there you go. That's about that. Canadian Swiss franc looks good, looks sharp. I'm gonna be back to follow up on the situation. In the meantime, moving on to the next video, cryptocurrency market and the ripple. It's coming right up. See you there.